Hey there, sweet Ascent family. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to share today's recipe with you, a delicious, tropical-inspired pineapple cake that's sure to bring a sweet touch to any occasion. Let's dive right into it. Here's what you'll need for this cake. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of crushed pineapple, drained. Be sure to save the juice for later. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and make sure to grease and flour your 8-inch round cake pan. Now, let's move on to our dry ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Once it's all mixed, set it aside for later. In a separate large mixing bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until they're light and fluffy. If you have an electric mixer, this will only take a few minutes on medium speed. Once your butter and sugar are nicely combined, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, add in the vanilla extract for that lovely aromatic flavor. Next, we're going to alternate adding the dry ingredients and the buttermilk into the wet mixture. Start by adding about 1/3 of the dry ingredients, followed by half of the buttermilk. Continue until everything is just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Now for the best part, fold in the crushed pineapple. Make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the batter. That's what gives this cake its signature moisture and tropical flavor. Once everything is mixed, pour the batter into your prepared cake pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Pop your cake into the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When your cake is done baking, take it out of the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once your cake is fully cooled, it's ready to serve. You can enjoy it as is, or add a simple glaze or whipped cream to really elevate it. And there you have it. A light, moist, and perfectly tropical pineapple cake. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just craving something sweet, this recipe will definitely hit the spot. Thank you so much for joining me on this sweet journey today. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious creations from Sweet Ascent. See you next time. Until next time, happy baking.